Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey there, ever wondered how you can get your own money? Maybe for that cool new toy or a special treat you've been dreaming about? Well, even at 8 years old, you can totally start earning some cash. It's a fantastic way to learn about saving and spending, and it's a lot of fun too. We're going to explore some great, simple ideas that an 8-year-old can do right away. One of the easiest places to start earning money is right at home. You can talk to your parents about doing extra chores that aren't usually part of your daily routine. Think about tasks like helping sort laundry, tidying up the family room, or even helping wash the car. Just make sure to agree on how much you'll earn for each task before you start. Another great way to earn is by helping out your neighbors. Maybe they need help bringing in their newspapers or watering a few plants while they are away. Always remember to ask your parents if it's okay first and have them talk to the neighbor with you. It's a wonderful way to be helpful and earn a little money too. If you love being creative, you could make things to sell. What about colorful handmade cards or perhaps some awesome friendship bracelets? And of course, a classic lemonade stand on a sunny day is always a big hit. It's a super fun way to use your imagination and earn some extra pocket money. Remember, safety first. Always talk to a parent or trusted adult before doing any work for money, especially outside your home. And once you start earning, try to save some of your money for something really special. Learning to earn and save is a fantastic skill that will help you for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.